Hello kids, we already learned some basic lines. So using those basic lines, today we will do one activity and we will see what are those basic lines. So let's start about the basic lines. First we have three basic lines. That is, first one is a standing line, sleeping line and a slanting line. So we will let to know about these three lines today with examples. S, T, A, N, D, I, N, G, L, I, N, E. Standing line. S, L, E, E, P, I, N, G, L, I, N, E. Sleeping line. S, L, A, N, T, I, N, G, L, I, N, E. Slanting line. First one is a standing line. We will know how a standing line will be. Let's draw and say it. We will draw a standing line from top to bottom. So now let's see using a matchstick. See, this is a standing line. Now we will see a sleeping line. We will draw a sleeping line from left to right. Again we will see using a matchstick. See, this is a sleeping line. Now slanting line. Slanting line we will draw in a tilted position. See, this is a slanting line and we have kept a matchstick. Now let us know some examples of these lines. That is standing line, sleeping line and a slanting line. So first example is the door. The door which we have in our home will be in a standing position. And second one is the bottle. The water bottle which we use every day will be in a standing position. And third one is also a man standing. So a man will stand in an upright position, that is a standing position. So these are the examples of a standing line. Now we will see sleeping line examples. So first one is a plate. The plate which we eat every day will be in a sleeping position on the table or on the floor. Second one is the vehicles. The vehicles which we park will be in a sleeping position. Example, we take a car and a truck. So these will be in a sleeping position. And third one, we also take a boat. It will be in a sleeping position. And also the ship. These are some basic examples of a sleeping line. Now we will see the examples of slanting line. So first one about the slanting line is a ladder. The ladder which we climb will be in a slanting position. And the second example is a seesaw. The seesaw which children play will be in a slanting position. Third one, the slide. Slide also will be in a slanting position. So children, these are some basic examples of standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. A standing line is also called as a vertical line. A sleeping line is called a horizontal line. A slanting line is called as oblique line. So, these are how the basic lines are called with different names. Now kids, let's do some activity with these basic lines of how alphabets are formed with these basic lines. We used a blue color for a standing line. And orange color for sleeping line. Green color for slanting line. So now take the first alphabet A. A is formed using two slanting lines and one sleeping line. One slanting line, another slanting line and one sleeping line. Next one is E. E is formed by one standing line and three sleeping lines. One standing line, sleeping line and again sleeping line. F. F is formed using one standing line and two sleeping lines. Standing line, sleeping line. H. H is formed using two standing lines and one sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. I is formed using two sleeping lines and one standing line. Standing line, sleeping line. Next one is L. L is formed using one standing line and one sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. M is formed using two standing lines and two slanting lines. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. And N is formed using two standing lines and one slanting line. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. Next, T is formed using one standing line and one sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. V is formed using two slanting lines. Slanting line. W is formed using four slanting lines. slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. X is formed using two slanting lines. Slanting line, slanting line. Y is formed using two slanting lines and one standing line. Slanting line, slanting line, standing line. Z is formed using two sleeping lines and one slanting line. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. So kids, these are the basic lines and examples, and also we have learnt the activity using these alphabets.